Unlock professional car diagnostics with BlueDriver, the ultimate Bluetooth OBDII scan tool. Revolutionize your vehicle maintenance with the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII scan tool, designed for both iPhone and Android. This compact device, measuring just 2.2-inch length by 1.9-inch width by 1-inch height, connects wirelessly to your phone, providing professional-grade diagnostics right at your fingertips. Unlike basic code readers, BlueDriver offers comprehensive vehicle diagnostics, allowing you to read and clear over 7,000 engine codes, including ABS, Airbag, SRS, and TPMS. Experience the power of automotive knowledge without stepping into a mechanic's office. What truly sets BlueDriver apart is its user-friendly app that connects you to a wealth of information. Get unlimited specific repair reports containing possible causes and verified fixes tailored to your vehicle's make and model. The extensive database of repair videos guides you through do-it-yourself fixes, empowering you to tackle issues confidently. This advanced OBDII scanner provides more than just codes. It offers insights and solutions that help you save time and money on repairs. BlueDriver is not only affordable, but also eliminates ongoing costs, as there are no subscription fees or hidden add-ons. One purchase provides complete access to its powerful features, ensuring you receive continuous updates without extra charges. Its durable construction and ease of use make it a reliable companion for car enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. Monitor your vehicle's performance in real time with live data tracking, allowing you to make informed decisions while driving. Experience unmatched customer support with BlueDriver's 24/7 access to professional technicians. Whether you need help with code explanations or troubleshooting, assistance is just a click away. Engineered in North America, BlueDriver meets the highest standards of quality and reliability, ensuring you have the best tools to understand and maintain your vehicle. Join the growing community of satisfied users who trust BlueDriver for their automotive diagnostics and make car maintenance easier than ever.